not a picnic. This is not really about going to Pohnpei and play. This is history in the making. You are going to be in the historical books, Ramlur Belao, because you had this opportunity at Alcala 2014. And that only comes rare in a lifetime. So take advantage of it. Make the best use of it.
Oy, dia kumda sundik malo marang kaya the training give la borngi ma the alarang mam as a team ma sel the alarang ulakot sa kama melmira pet kalsil si o maklat ka kama marangar alam mak kumda su kwasi kama mamal kaltmok le e madengel kwasi kama magibong agi mo malarakul ta kumaral mo gibong agi mo malarakul